Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start in Gmail. Sign in with the account that has access to the Google group. In the top search bar, type the group name or the group's email address so Gmail can locate related messages. Use quick operators like from or to narrow results to messages sent by or to the group. Once done, press enter and glance at the results list. This is faster than digging through labels and helps you find the group's conversation threads. Once you have initial results, refine them using the search options icon to add date ranges, subject words, or attachment filters. This reduces noise. You want to spot the group's email address consistently in the from or to lines, which confirms membership. Open a message and inspect the header or choose Show Original to see the precise envelope address if you are unsure. Make sure to check multiple messages so you can confirm threads belong to the. Finally, if a message contains a link to groups, Google.com, click it to open the group's page and access membership or settings directly. If messages look truncated or you cannot view content, make sure you are logged into the correct Google account and that the group's permissions allow your access. Otherwise, request membership from the group owner. If nothing appears, search Google Groups by the group email or ask a colleague for an invite. These steps complete your discovery and recovery process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.